Hey guys, it's Ahmad
And Christina
from Our Rich Journey. So we took a trip back to California. In fact, it was a road trip that started in Northern California and took us all the way down to Southern California, San Diego, and then back again. We had so much fun catching up with friends and family over the holiday season. We went to Christmas parties. We hung out at New Year's. We ate so much food that we are going to be in the gym for the rest of 2022. I mean, we had such a ball. And so we documented our experience going back to California because we had been away for, I guess, more than 2 years. So this was our first time back in 2 years. And we wanted to share the experience with you guys in this special video that highlights our trip.
Now, our videos usually come out every single Sunday at 9 Pacific Standard Time, but this is a unique video that we want to share in the middle of the week just to show you how much we enjoyed going back to California and bring you along on our vacation with us. So sit back and enjoy our video.